Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will explain the two-way switch circuit on the stairs. The explanation will be in three main points. Practical simulation of the work of the circuit. Explanation of the different positions of two-way switch. How to connect the circuit. We'll start with simulation of the circuit's workings. As you can see, there is a stair and lighting on the stair. And two switches for lighting. One at the top of the stair, and the other at the bottom of the stair. At first the lamp is off. And we will assume when I leave the apartment and I want to go down the stairs. It is necessary to turn on the lighting of the stairs. So that I can go down, I press the first switch to turn on the light. And then I go down. After going down, press the other switch. Even turn off the lights because I don't need it. It is important to monitor the change in the connection of the terminals of the switch being pressed. This switch links between this point and this point. Now if you want to climb the stair to the top, I'm going to press this switch to turn on the light. Note that the switch's connection position has changed. After going up, I press the other switch to turn off the lights again. This is the idea of connecting a circuit two-way switches. Meaning that I can turn on the lighting from one place and turn off it from another place. This, of course, saves in electricity consumption. Because I only turn on the lights when I need it. The same idea is used in large corridors or large rooms that have more than one entrance. This is to operate the lighting from one place and turn off it from the other. The second point is the different positions of the two switches. The path of current and why they are switched off and the bulbs operate in each of the different switching modes. We will notice that we have 4 positions to connect the two switches. Watch the 4 modes before explaining each one separately. First position, we note that the switch has a COM terminal. There are 2 other terminals. In this position the bulb is off. Because the path of the current is incomplete. Let us trace the path of the current from the side of line to the neutral of the circuit. We will trace the path of the current from this point like this. Here is the point at which the opening of the circuit happened. That is, the path of the current is incomplete for that bulb is off. The second position. In this position the bulb is on. We repeat the same steps. We trace the path of the current from the line to the end to neutral in this way. We will notice that we have reached the end of the neutral without any opening in the circuit. So, the bulb is on. Third position. Let us trace the path of the current from the side of line to the neutral of the circuit. Here is opening in the circuit. That is, the path of the current is incomplete for that bulb is off. The fourth position. In this position the bulb is on. We repeat the same steps. We trace the path of the current from the line to the end to neutral in this way. we will notice that we have reached the end of the neutral without any opening in the circuit. So, the bulb is on. Now we have reviewed the 4 modes of the circuit. The last part of today's video is how to connect the circuit. In each switch there are 3 terminals. A common terminal, and 2 other terminals. The first step is to connect the terminals of each key to each other. And we connect the common terminal of the first switch with the line. And connect the common terminal of the second switch to the bulb. And connect the bulb's second terminal with the neutral terminal. With this, we have completed the circuit. With this, we have reached the end of the video, and in the end we hope to support the channel by liking the video, sharing and subscribing to the channel.